Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Solution with Engineer Sara. So I am back with another video of how to boost your laptop or PC. So let's get started. If you want to speed up your laptop, like you want to use the laptop and you want to use fastly, how to do this? Simply click on this search bar and then type run and then search here prefetch and then press enter. You guys see this pop up, so you just select all this and then delete. Once you have delete, so you guys will see, so again you have to close this screen and then click again search run and click here tab, press enter and then again select all the data and delete this. Once you guys follow this step with me, so you guys will see the results and then your laptop will speed up. Okay, thank you very much. If you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and like my video as well. Thank you very much.